Yeah, yeah, and shout it, shout it, shout it out loud. You got to have a party. Shout it, shout it, shout it out loud. Turn it up loudly. Shout it, shout it, shout it out loud. Everybody shout it now. Shout it, shout it, shout it out loud. Oh, ah. Hey everybody, welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Manaadendamowin, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Manaadendamowin, and this over here is Natasha. Ekadom BOOZHOO, sweetie. Say hello. Say hello to the people.
BOOZHOO, everyone. How you doing? It's nice to be here today.
And today, our Ojibwe word of the day. We're doing this thing where every day this week we're going to choose one of the 7 Anishinaabe values, one of the grandfather teachings. And today's word is, what is it now? Manaadendamowin. Manaadendamowin. Respect. Manaadendamowin, sweetie. And what can I say about respect? You know, respect is earned, but you got to give it away for free. I don't know. Manaadendamowin. Respect. All right. Do you want to add anything to this? What do you think respect is?
Oh, I don't know. Respect to me is treating people in a sacred way.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, that's what it is. Respect. Manaadendamowin. Treating people and Mother Earth and all the animals and everything like they're sacred. All right. Well, good enough. Yeah, I just want to say thank you for watching this show. If you want to leave us a tip, there's a PayPal link down there. And otherwise, you have been watching BOOZHOO, Manaadendamowin, the podcast about Ojibwe language
And culture. I am Natasha, and this is Manaadendamowin. And I will see you again. Gigawapa min, minawa. Awa.
Well, the night's become and you want some fun. Do you think you're gonna find it?
Think you're gonna find it?
Yeah. All right, one more time.
Do 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 do. Do 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 do.
Well, the night's become and you want some fun. Do you think you're gonna find it?
Think you're gonna find it?
You got to treat yourself like number one. Do you need to be reminded?
Need to be reminded. Don't let them tell you that there's too much noise. They're too old to really understand. Let's get rowdy with the girls and boys. Time for you to take a stand.